So here, the two trains of equal length are running on parallel lines in the same direction. Two trains, then one train is faster and other one is slow train. So here fastest train speed is 46 kilometer per hour. Slowest train speed is 36 kilometer per hour. The fastest train passes the slowest train in 36 seconds. So here the case is fast train should cross the slow train. To cross the slow train, it should travel length of the slow train plus length of the fast train, right? Because when can you say the train is crossed? When the end point of the train is here. When the fastest train is here, you can consider that fastest train as crossed slowest train. So here, distance it should travel is length of the slower train plus length of the faster train. So here the given two trains of equal lengths. Let lengths of trains equals to L. So distance the fastest train should travel is 2L. And what is the speed we have to take? We have to take relative speed, right? So relative speed equals to, since the for both force velocities are going in the same direction, we should subtract v1 minus v2. So 46 minus 36, which is 10 kilometer per hour. This is the relative speed. So distance that should cover by the fastest train is 2L and the relative speed of both trains is 10. So here we should convert this into meter per second. 10 into 5 by 18 meter per second, which is 50 by 18 meter per second. So here, next step, as we know, relative speed equals to distance by time. It took 36 seconds to reach, right? So here, what is the relative speed? 50 by 18 equals to 2L by 36. 2. 2 will get cancelled. So here, L equals to 50 meters. This is the answer, which is option number A. Let's move on to the eighth question. A train 360-meter long is running at the speed of 45 kilometer per hour. In what time will it pass a bridge 140-meter long? For suppose this is a bridge which is 140-meter long. The train length is 360 meters. For suppose this is a train which is moving at 45 kilometer per hour with the length of 360 meters. When you should consider the train passed the bridge? When the train is here, right? Means end point of the train should be equal to the starting point, this point of the bridge. So how much distance the train should travel? Length of the bridge plus length of the train equals to, what is the speed? 45 kilometer per hour. We should convert it into meter per second. 5 by 18. 45 into 5 by 18, which is 12.5 meter per second. So here distance by time. How much time it will take? We have to find that. Equals to speed 12.5. So time equals to 360 plus 140 by 12.5, which is 40 seconds. The answer is A. Let's move on to the ninth question. Two trains are moving in opposite directions. The speeds of the trains are 60 kilometer per hour and 90 kilometer per hour. Their lengths are 1.1 kilometer and zero point 0.9 kilometers. Here, uh, though those two trains are moving in opposite direction, right? So this is slower, this is faster, which is moving like this, which is moving like this. So here, then what can be the relative speed? Relative speed equals to 90 plus 60, right? 150 kilometer per hour is the relative speed. So length of the train's slow train equals to 1.1 kilometer. Length of fast train is zero point 0.9 kilometer. So here the slow train should cross the fast train. So how much length it should cover? It should cover the length of fast train as well as length of slow train, right? So total length, how much it should cover with the 150 kilometer per hour relative speed? So speed equals to distance by time. So 1.1 plus zero point 0.9, this much length it should cover by time. So now what is the value of time? So here the value of time is 0.0133 and so on seconds. Sorry, hours. So if you convert this into seconds, you will get 48 seconds, which is, so the final answer is 48, which is C.